In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use /commands in Clickup, a powerful tool that can streamline your workflow and make task management more efficient. Let's dive in and explore how you can leverage this feature to enhance your productivity. First things first, we'll need to navigate to the Clickup website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the Clickup URL, or simply search for it if that's easier for you. Once you reach the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find the Login button. Give that a click and you'll be prompted to sign in. For ease of use, especially if you're already logged into Google, I recommend clicking on Continue with Google. This option will allow you to choose from your list of Google accounts, offering a quick and secure way to log in without the need to remember another password. Once you're in Clickup, look towards the left panel where your spaces are listed. Find your specific space and click to enter it. This panel is essentially your navigation hub in Clickup, and it's crucial for accessing the different areas of your workspace swiftly. Now that you're in your space, it's time to click on a task. Choose whichever task you need to work on by simply selecting it. This will open up the task details and you'll be ready to dive deeper into managing your work. When you have a task open, take a glance at the comments section, typically found on the lower right side of the screen. Here's where the magic of /commands comes into play. By typing the / SOS, you'll open the command palette, offering you a plethora of options to enhance your task interaction. This small yet powerful feature can be a game changer, significantly speeding up your workflow. An essential thing to remember is that these /commands function only when you're in the process of creating or viewing tasks. They can be an incredible efficiency boost, but only within those contexts. So as you explore this feature, keep that in mind to make the most of it. There you have it, a straightforward way to use /commands in Clickup. With just a few clicks and keystrokes, you have a robust tool at your disposal to streamline your daily task management. Give it a try and see how it fits into your routine. Once you get comfortable with these commands, you'll find managing your tasks is not only more efficient, but also far more enjoyable. Thanks for joining me today and happy clicking.